What's the meaning of criminality? Criminality. Criminality.
Criminality. Criminality. Criminality refers to the state or quality of being involved in criminal activity. It encompasses both the act of committing a crime and the tendency or disposition towards engaging in such behavior. Criminality can be influenced by a range of factors, including social, psychological, and environmental conditions. Individuals who exhibit criminality are often subject to legal sanctions, including imprisonment, fines, or community service. Moreover, criminal behavior can have a significant impact on the individual's personal and professional life, including damage to reputation, loss of employment opportunities, and strained relationships with family and friends.